water, baby. Swimming with these times, the grooves that turn the grey to sunshine. 'Cause I will live through days that break me. Swimming with these times, the grooves that turn the grey to sunshine.
I'm still trying to write the story as I see it. The trouble is when I say it, they don't believe it. They reckon I only say it, but I don't mean it. I'm trying to tell them I only say it if I can feel it. 'Cause money's tight, maybe tighter than it was before. I'm helping out on a mortgage I really can't afford. Family breaking north, I cover the trips abroad. Shaking, I'm making another loss on another tour. But what I done it for? To see my mother in the sun abroad. I run in the trouble that was coming for. My little brother got the hunger for. All the exact same pain that makes the rain in my stomach pour. So let me paint it broader. This for any dude who's got a daughter. Living off lines like your papa taught her. Ain't got no time to be coming for you. Go with the flow with this, run the water. Go with the flow with this. Go with the flow with this. Go with the flow with this.
I'd love to be here by myself on a solo mission. Imagine like this shot with no one.
Go with the flow
in the background.
Go with the flow with this.
Find myself a little seat.
Go with the flow with this. Go with the flow with this.
Don't you worry, Julie's won't grow the same. And people might forget your name, doesn't matter if they do. Don't you hurry, when the hot coffee pours will stain. And when the Uber left you in the rain, the time will come around to you. Despite the stress of spending so much time alone. 'Cause this geography is keeping me at home when I don't know the way to go. I move with the flow of this running water, this running water. 'Cause I was born a water baby, swimming with these times, the grooves that turn the grey to sunshine. I will live through days that break me. Swimming with these times, the grooves that turn the grey to sunshine.
Go with the flow with this, run the water.
Shipwreck. So you got this in the background. And you have like the water green. And it just looks interesting. Yeah, man. Congratulations to the happy couple back there. Yo, I hope there's no falling debris. Very, very interesting place. People have even come here and graffitied on it, but I can't lie, it's nice to find places where you can just catch your breath. But yeah, take a look at it. Look at me complaining. Where are you at? You're deep for a second. I could be at work. Could be in Peckham. Could be in Brighton. But I'm here in the Mediterranean, lone travelling. And I think I've made a good success of it actually, in regards to socialising and stuff like that. She has the same DSLR setup, so I know she has a YouTube channel.